Once a week, I really like to go a little deeper when it comes to my skincare, because we know skincare is self-care, and the very important thing to do at least once a week is to clear out all the gunk, detox your skin. So a great pore extracting mask is an absolute must so that you can start your new week nice and fresh. This works like a vacuum cleaner for your skin, getting rid of the dirt, the debris, the blackheads. I can already feel it working. So I like to follow up an exfoliating mask with something that is super moisturizing. This is Decadence. This is your spa at home. And you want to leave that on for another 15 to 20 minutes. And to take it off, why not give yourself an extra little treatment as well? These are the deep detox cleansing cloths from KORRES, but we have a lot of wonderful cleansing cloths that you can use, all available at TSC. Now that my skin has been detoxed and is all moisturized, I'm going to treat myself to something special, not using a cream per se, but I'm going to use a facial oil, because this is the time to treat yourself and to really let your skin get all the benefits of that weekly maintenance program. And of course, I use an eye cream during the day and during the night, but for a weekly treatment, consider an eye mask for extra moisture and anti-aging benefits. You can either put a lot on and leave it overnight, or you can use just a little bit and put it on as part of your daytime self-care routine. To wrap up my weekly maintenance, I love doing a little spritz just to refresh and moisturize. Your weekly maintenance is a chance to use richer products, more decadent products. You can mix and match. We have so much available at TSC. Your skin will thank you.